So we're still just west of Balboa Park at Laurel Street before the bridge. Right there, San Diego Lawn Bowling Club. I see one person out there who's actually wearing white like they're supposed to, which actually throws me off because I always thought everyone who showed up there wore white. And this is only like the second time I've seen anybody, so whatever. Then right here and over there across the street. See if I can get it. Where am I looking? Right there. Those were originally the ticket booths for the 1918 fair that San Diego had when they couldn't have the World's Fair. That made it so all the things in Balboa Park were built, like the California Tower and whatever they call that dome that's on top of the Museum of Man, and most of the other buildings. The Museum of Art, that one's that old. Those were all temporary buildings that have been up for the last 100 years. So, when they used to build temporary stuff, it lasted forever.